Hi. In this lesson, let's take code duplication and ensure our validation is in a single location, where I suggest storing it. I suggest storing it on the backend and importing it to the frontend from the backend. Especially since our backend is already dependent on the frontend, we can do this quite easily. Let's first extract this object into a separate variable. Let's call it export const dots in honor of Zod. Create.idea trpc.input. As usual, descriptive names. So, and let's insert it here. Well, I'm not quite pleased with it. Why? Because when we try to import now, this variable, our validation object to the front end, will immediately pull in a bunch of unnecessary backend stuff to the front, and the front's bundle will bloat. So, in such situations, we need to be careful, and I propose we introduce the following agreement. We store all the inputs of all endpoints in separate files and name them input.ts. And let's move this variable here, right? And here, we just import it the same way. And then from the same file, we'll import it into the front end. Good. There's an input here, and now we need it on the front end as well. Good. Also, Z. Bear with it. From the front end, we took it. Z is no longer needed here. You can easily and quickly go here and see what the validation rules are. All right, let's check if it works. This is the idea name. Well, description, some text. All ideas, yes. All validations passed. Everything works perfectly. Thanks. A simple and short lesson. Let's move on.